What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Jade. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then it's just welcome.
First off, welcome.
I appreciate you being here. For all my returning subscribers, what's going on, y'all? I know I ain't seen y'all in a minute, but you know, it's all good. I am doing a quick makeup look. I'm going to shoot for about 10 minutes. No makeup makeup look in less than 10 minutes. That's what I'm going to shoot for. Let's get started. I'm not going to do too much talking at all. I'm just going to listen to my little church service that's going on, and then come back at the end. So let's go.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on. gotta move along. Gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it. On the whole way, gotta move along. Baby, gotta move along. I said, baby, you gotta move along. I said, honey, take it real slow. I said, honey, just take it real slow. No, no. Oh, you gotta groove on. You gotta groove on.
Okay, folks, this is the end of my look. I know it probably took me like 15 minutes or more. I'm kind of new to the makeup game, so it's a real simple look. Nothing too, you know, bam in your face. So that's the end of this video. I have to go get dressed now, and I will leave everything like well, you saw, because you know I was editing it. So if you have any questions, hit me up on a comment. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell, excuse me, so you can be notified every time your girl uploads. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Please, please be safe. Social distance. You know, it's still pandemic season. I will see you guys in the next one.